Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here.
Today we're making a beautiful wire-wrapped hematite ring to match the bracelet and the earrings made in previous videos. I'll link them up below. You're going to need 18 and 20 gauge gold artistic wire, 8mm hematite beads, and a stepped wooden ring mandrel. We are using the Beadalon Slimline series chain nose pliers, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, and the Beadalon Glimmer series nipper tool. We will start with about 4 or 5 inches of the 20 gauge artistic wire and place the 8mm bead in the center and bend the wire up on either side of the bead so they're going in opposite directions. Then we're going to get round nose pliers and form a loop at the end of the bead on one side, and then we're going to go to the other side and make another loop with the wire going to the opposite side. So we have our 2 loops securing the bead in place, and we're just going to make these loops centered, and then we're going to wind the wire around all the way around, and then flip it over and do the same on the other side. Bring the wire all the way around to the opposite side. So from there we are going to hold the loop and bring the wire diagonally across the bead on both sides, and then hold it firmly, and we're going to bend it around the loop to secure it in place. So just bring the wire all the way around. I always cut my wires a little bit long so I have more to hang on to. We're going to bring the wire all the way around. This is the same way we did the previous bracelet and earrings. So from there we're going to have to clip off those ends. So we're just going to clip them off one side and the other with either flush cutters or this nipper tool. So we'll just cut off those little ends, and then we want to push them down so there's no little pokey wires. So just push the wire down on both sides with the chain nose pliers. So now hold with the flat nose and chain nose pliers to bend the wires down on either side of the bead. Just bend them down at a bit of an angle. Just adjust it a bit with the tip of the pliers. And now we're going to take some 18 gauge wire, about 3 inches should be fine, and bring it around the ring mandrel at the size that you want, and then just bend one end up at an angle, leaving at least ½ an inch there, and then we're going to slide on the bead. We're going to measure where the bead is going to end, and then we have to bend it up on the other side. So just hold it with the pliers and bend the wires straight up. So we have the wires sticking straight up so we can slide on the bead. We'll put it back on the ring mandrel, and then we are just going to slide the bead on through the loops there. Just push it right down on the ring base. I like making my rings with 18 gauge wire to make them more solid. So now we're going to bring the wire back on either side while it's on the ring mandrel, so it's going to be the right size. So hold that end firmly and pull it down on either side. And then we can give it a little extra push to close up that loop there. And the same on the other side, just push it right down. So now we just have to clip it with the nipper tool, clip it flush on both sides. Just get rid of the extra wire, and then we'll take our chain nose pliers to push the pokey ends in so it won't be scratchy at all. Just push the wire right down and do any little adjustments that you need to push the wire in a little bit more. Make sure it's nice and secure and solid. Then you can put it back on the ring mandrel to make sure it's nice and rounded. Push with your thumbs And there you have your super beautiful hematite bead ring. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. You can get the templates in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.